This is Nithyakalyani Mekala, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukkottai. Today we see about the Internet of Things concept of ZigBee architecture. What is ZigBee? It is a standard-based wireless technology. It is developed to enable low-cost, low-power wireless machine-to-machine and Internet things of networks. ZigBee revolves around control and sensor networks. It is one of the most common standard and application for the Internet of Things. ZigBee networks use mesh technology, which gives a separate link for every device pair in the network. How it is work? ZigBee is a wireless protocol that is used to allow smart device such that light bulbs, sockets, plugs, smart lock, move sensor and door sensor to communicate with each other over personal area network. ZigBee is an open global packet-based protocol designed to provide an easy-to-use architecture for secure, reliable, low-power wireless networks. The flow or process control equipment can be placed anywhere and still communicate with the rest of the system. Now we see about the ZigBee protocol stack. ZigBee and IEEE 802.15.4 are standard-based protocols that provide the network infrastructure required for wireless sensor network applications. 802.15.4 defines the physical and MAC layer and ZigBee defines the network and application layer. For sensor network application, key design requirements resolve around long battery life, low cost, small footprint and mesh networking to support communication between large number of devices in an interoperable and multi-applications environment. ZigBee protocol stack. ZigBee, it consists of top of the IEEE 802.15.4 physical and MAC layer. Each layer performs specific set of services for the layer. Each service entity provides an interface to the upper layer through the service access point. Application layer. The top layer in ZigBee protocol stack consists of the application framework, ZigBee device object, and application support sublayer. Application framework. It describes how to build profile in the ZigBee stack. It also specifies range of standard data types for profile description to design in service discovery, frame format for transferring data, and a key pair constructed to repeatedly develop simple attribute based profiles. Application object. It is used for software at endpoint that controls the ZigBee device. Single ZigBee mode support up to 240 application object. ZigBee device object. It initiates a response to hiding and discovery request and establish the secure relationship between network device. It provides a rich set of management commands defined to the ZigBee device profile. Application support supplier is used for, it is also responsible for providing data services to the application and ZigBee device profile. It maintains BT links and storage of the binding table itself. Security service provider, it provides security mechanism for layers that use encryption's network layer. It enables to network address and routing by invoking action in the MAC layer. Its tasks include starting the network, assigning the network address, adding and removing network devices, routing message, applying security and implementing route discovery. Medium access control layer. It is responsible for providing reliable communication between and its immediate response, helping to avoid collisions and improve efficiency. It also responsible for assembling a decomposing data packet and frames. Physical layer provides interface to the physical transmission medium. Physical layer consists of two layers that operate in two separate frequency range. Lower frequency physical layer covers both the 868 MHz of European based and 915 MHz based used in band used in United States and Australia. The higher frequency physical layer 2.4 Hz is used in virtually worldwide. There are three types of ZigBee devices. They are a ZigBee controller device. It communicates with routers. This device is used for connecting the devices. The device start and control the network. The coordinator stores information about the network, which includes acting as the trust standard and being a repository for security keys. Router. It is used for passing the data between the devices. The devices extend network area coverage, dynamically route around obstacles, and provide backup routers in the case of the network congestion or device failure. They can connect to the coordinator and other routers and also support child devices. Next, end devices. It is the device that is going to be controlled. It can transmit and receive a message but cannot perform any routing operations. These must be connected to either the coordinator or a router to do not support child devices. These are the diagram for the three types of devices. Central characteristic of ZigBee standard. Low power consumption. It is low data rate has data rate to 20 to 250 kilobits per second and short range between 17 to 100 meters. Network join time is minimum 30 microseconds. Support small and large networks up to 65,000 devices in theory and 240 devices in practically. Low cost of products and cheap implementations is used in open source protocols. Extremely low duty cycle, 3 frequency bands with 27 channels. What is the advantage of the ZigBee? It is designed for low power consumption, provide network security and application support services operating on the top of IEEE, and ZigBee makes possible completely networks homes where all devices are able to communicate and use in smart home, easy to implementation. Thank you.